Welcome my friend. Good morning my friend. How is going your life? I hope your life is getting day by day fantastic. So I telling you about society. In the society is very big society. The society is different place, village and different culture. In my society there are so many people. In my society is not knowledge because my society member is drunk alcohol, and in the society member is very good member because very helpfully member. In the society member is in the society member is marriage, and everything very helpfully member. But my society member is not developed because my society member and children is not a study and children is moving around place and parents is not caring. So my society is not developed.
So great morning to you all, and my dear friends, as you know that today we are talking about something different, like we have talked about the society, and as well as today we will talk about the culture. And this time we are going to improve our English, and don't think that my children are not speaking good English and good knowledge like that sentence and the grammar, because I believe on the speaking. I'm not believing on the grammar that they know or don't know. But if they are speaking, it means they can speak. And right now we are going to practice, we are going to implement ourselves. So if you're liking these videos, if you're watching these videos, so please like and subscribe this channel and support us and give us enthusiasm, by which we will increase our confidence, and only not we will improve our English, but we will change the society, we will change the thought of society, we will change the perception of the society. Because right now what people are thinking about the children, you know very well about you and about your colleagues, about your village, about the society. Of course, some people, some parents are doing what they are doing, that my sons and my daughter cannot go alone and college to school, so that is why they don't send to study. And some parents are thinking that we have no money, we have no management, we cannot teach my daughter's son. And there are many people, there are many students, there are many daughters and sons who are doing wrong in their society. That is why parent thought has damaged, that if they are doing like that, also my daughter will do like that, so I will not send to like a Ramgarh, Hazaribagh, like that place. So we have to change that perception, that thought and that ideas, and that is why we are working here. So thank you so much. So right now we are talking about the society and the perception. So first now I would like to tell and I would like to ask about my student introduction, and then we will talk about the society. So thank you so much. So I will start from right side, and the first.
Good morning. Thank you so much sir for giving me opportunity to tell here. How is going your life? I hope your life is getting day by day fantastic. So this is Soni Kumari. I am a student. I self-study class 10th. I study Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia High School, Bongahara. I live at Kerala Chopra Mode, but I belong to Itpara. I want to become engineering. My hobby are reading, writing, playing and all. My family introduction. My father's name is Mr. Sanjay Ghasi. My mother's name is Mrs. Rakhi Devi. My father professor is a Tata employee. My mother professor is a homemaker. I have got 5th member in my family. I have got 3 siblings in my family. Right now I am going to tell you society. In my society, people are very bad because drink alcohol. In my society, people are very bad because selfish. In my society, people are very bad because not help. In my society, very big. Right now I am going to tell you culture. In my culture, I learn in family. In my culture, people dance together on festival. In my culture, people wear different type dress on festivals.
Great morning, my dear friend. Thank you, sir, for giving me opportunity. Right now, I am telling you about my introduction. This is Lalini Kumari. I am a student. I have completed 10th class from Adarsh Matsya Vidyalaya, Kedla ki number. I want to become a teacher. My hobbies are writing and dancing. My favorite colors red and my favorite recipe pizza. I live at Jitra Tongri but I belong to Jhumra Pahad. My family introduction. My father's name is Mr. Mahendra Manji and my mother's name is Mrs. Shanti Devi. My father occupation is a farmer and my mother occupation is a homemaker. I have got 11th member in my family and I have got 9 siblings in my family. 6 sisters and 3 brothers. 3 sisters have married and 1 brother has married. Right now 5 siblings we are studying. 1 brother preparing for motivate to people and 2 sisters completed ICOM and 1 brother study in 8th class. That's all my introduction. Right now I am tell about society where people live together, where people dance together, where people working together, where people studied together, where people.
Great morning, my dear friends. Thank you so much, sir, for giving me an opportunity to tell here. So, my dear friends, how is going your life? So, I hope your life is getting day by day fantastic. So, my dear friends, right now I am going to tell you about my introduction. This is Urmila Kumari. I am a student. I am pursuing ICOM from Rajiv Gandhi Inter College Tapin, and as well as I teach student. Basically, I live a project, but I belong to Jhumra Pahad. I want to become a CEO. My family introduction. My father's name is Mr. Mahendra Manji and my mother's name is Mrs. Shanti Devi. My father's occupation is a farmer and mother's occupation is a homemaker. I have got 11th member in my family and 9 siblings in my family. 6 sisters, 3 brothers. 3 sisters have married and 1 brother has married. Right now, 5 siblings we are studying. 2 sisters are passing ICOM and 1 brother prepare motivate to people. 1 sister has completed 10th class and 1 brother study in 8th class. So that's all my introduction. So my dear friends, right now I am going to tell you about society. Do you know what is society and how to make the society? So my dear friends, no problem. So I am telling you. Society is a group of people and society make the us human and the purpose of making to keep united together, where live all people together, where decided all people, where speaking similar all people together, and where senior speak so all people listen and understood and working together. That's called society. And but do you know, right now society is very decreased because right now all people going different, all people living different, all people don't understand and all people don't decided together, and right now all people live different place. So that society is very decreased because before century all people live was together, all people listen together, all people used to decided together and all people used to speaking together. So that time society was going very well and fantastic, because that time all people go each other house and asking many things like food, vegetable and many things. But right now all people fearing that how to go each other house, very fearing. So my dear friends, right now don't acquire the good knowledge people, so leave to them own mom and dad, sister, brothers and auntie, uncle, because of unknowledgeable. So my dear friends, right now I am going to tell you culture. From culture related society. If we have not culture, so society is very decreased, because culture is very important in our life. Like culture make that how to live, how to speak in with people, how to go to market, how to go to college, how to go to Mumbai, and how to explain the point and how to teach the student. And here in my India very good culture, because here different people and different races or people, like ST celebrated festival like Sarhul, Karma, and races very different, like we can speak Panchi Sari, traditional sari. And here if one senior speak, so all people listen and understand and going similar. And here very different dance, like in Santhali dance only dhol and mandal. So here very good culture, and we have culture, so we live discipline and we respected anything, profession, teacher, doctor, with all people. And if culture, so we can give them own children good knowledge and send the school. And if we have not culture, so we can't do anything and we can't go ahead because of culture. So that's all culture. Thank you so much, sir.
Great morning, my dear friends. So thank you, sir, for giving me an opportunity to tell here. Now I am going to tell about my introduction. This is Saloni Tuddu. I am student of class 12. I am studying in St. Anne's Inter College, Ranchi. I live in Ranchi, but I belong to Chitra Tongri. I want to become a doctor. My hobbies are reading, writing, playing. My favorite colors are red, black, blue. My family introduction. My father's name is Mr. Shukram Manji. My mother's name is Mrs. Manju Devi. My father's profession is self-employed. My mother's profession is homemaker. I have got 5 family members. I have got 3 siblings in family. So my dear friends, right now I am going to tell about society. What is society? Society is the individual involved. Society is made by us humans. The purpose of making society is to people keep united together. Society is a very important initial for humans. Society gives all facilities, but nowadays society is decreasing day by day because of some bad people. They are using to drink alcohol. They don't care about society. If we want good society, then we have to responsibility for society. We have to think about society. So it's all about culture. Culture is a very important for India. Everyone have different culture, but my culture is a Santhali culture. In Santhali culture, in my culture, there are 4 festivals like Sarhul, Karma, Durga Puja, Holi. In my culture, people wearing Santhali, Panchi Sari and Dhoti. In my culture, together, people dance together and Dhol Mandar. They are not using DJ sound.
Great morning, my dear friends. Thank you so much for giving opportunity to tell how is going your life. I hope your life getting very fantastic. So I tell you about my introduction. This is Babta Tuddu, a student. I have completed 12th Ramgarh Women's College in Chitra Tongri, Kerala 3 number. Become nurse. My hobby writing, reading, favorite color red. My family introduction. My father's name is Mr. Shukram Manjhi. My mother's name Mrs. Manju Devi. My father profession self-employed. My mother profession homemaker. I have got 5 members. I have got 3 siblings in my family. I tell you about society. In my society, so many people drink alcohol. In my society, people not health. In my society,
Great morning, my dear friends. How is going your life? I hope your life is getting day by day fantastic. So, my dear friends, at first I would like to say about my introduction. This is Sukrumni Kumari. I am a student. I am passing. I come from Rajiv Gandhi Inter College, Tapin, and as well as I help the student. Basically, I live at project, but I belong to Jumra Pahad. So that's all about my introduction. And right now I am going to tell you about society. That what is society? Do you know what is society and how to make our society? So if you don't know, so no problem. Relax and sit and watching this video. You will know about society, that how to make society and what is society. Society is a group of individuals involved. Society make after meeting people and whatever people they decided. Society, that is called society. People, where people live all together, where people take decision all together, and where people help each other, and where people can ask another from another house something, and another people can ask from our many things. Yes, so society is that where people take decision all together and people are living all together. So that is called society. Because we know very well that before few century our society have been coming, and from that time our society is coming. But do you know nowadays what happening in our society? If you are knowing, so it's okay, but also I want to tell you that what happening in our society nowadays. That is happening in our society nowadays. Nowadays our society is changing. Our society is decreasing and destroying just because of people. Because nowadays people are using alcohol, people are not educating, and people are not helping each other, and that is why, and by which our society is decreasing. Because nowadays people can't go another house and another people can't come our house, because nowadays people are fearing that how will I go another house and how can I ask something. People are fearing, how will I ask, how will I take from another house. People are fearing because nowadays people have become stupid, people have become enemy. For that people can't go another house and people can't help another people, and that is why our society is decreasing. And nowadays people do not help another people and do not live all together, do not live with parents, brother and sister. Because nowadays when brother get married, that from that after some time brother live another house, and mom and dad live another house, and brothers and sister also live another house. If in our society will be like that, So our society definitely will be decreased. Our society never can't grow and never increase, because in our society people do not work good, are not working good. That why our society is decreasing, because we can see and we can say before few century ago our society was going very well and very fantastic and very good, because that time people used to live all together, people used to help another person, and people used to ask something, and people used to live with parents, brother, sister, mom and dad. People used to help another people. That is why that time our society was going very well and very fantastic, and that time our society people moving around the place together, and that time people used to sit all together and discuss that what will you do, what will we do, and what should we do, and what must we do. People discuss, people used to take decision all together that time. That is why that time our society was going very well. But nowadays not happening like that. Nowadays people not happening. But for increasing our society, also government help us. Like government give us Bal Vikas, Panchayat Bhavan, hospital and school. But also people are not increasing our society. And why is not increasing our society? Because of children. Because children, mom and dad do not care on children, do not care them children, and they do not care them children, by which children are becoming stupid, foolish, and by which children are using smoke, children are using alcohol, children are using wine, and by which our society is decreasing. So that's all about society. Thank you so much.
Okay, so we are learning English right now and we are improving English, and today we are talking about the culture and the society. What is culture right now? Who will tell?
Yes, culture is that we can know that what is culture. Culture have been coming before few century, and we know very well about culture, because culture make discipline. Culture tell us that how to respect with elder person, how to behave in front of people, and how to talk front of people. Culture tell us for living together with parents, sister, brothers and mom and dad. And we learn culture from our parents, that how to live in our society, how to talk with people, how to respect, how to behave in front of people. We learn from parents that culture, and we need to culture, because without culture our society can't go ahead. It is not possible that our society will go ahead. That is why we need to culture, and we must follow our culture. And culture divided many things like language and religion and rituals, because we know and we can say Santhali people speak Santhali language, and Santhali people celebrate festival different like Sohrai, Karma Puja, and Deepavali and Sarhul. That is Santhali festival. And also like that in my world, in my India, so many different language and religions, rituals, and that is my culture. That is our culture. Our culture tell us live people all together, and we can say before 1000 years ago people are living all together, people are dancing, and people used to dance with dhol mandar. But do you know, nowadays our society has changed. Do you know how did change our society? Because nowadays changed our society like that. Because few century ago people used to dance with mandar and all, but nowadays people are dancing with sound and DJ. Yes, but nowadays our society and our culture are changing slowly. People are not following our culture, and our culture is changing because people are not following our culture. And culture, we can know from culture that people 1000 years ago people moving around the place. One day people live another place, and one day people lived another house, and like that people used to moving around the place, around the India. People did not used to live static place. So, and like that people thought, if we will do like that, so nobody people can't know me, that who am I and what am I. Nobody people can't know me. That is why our culture, they decided, they meet each other and decided and make society. And after that, from the culture, our society make. So I hope you have understood, because without culture our society can't go ahead. That is why we have to follow our culture, and we have to use our culture, because culture is very important for us, and culture is most important for us. Yes, so culture and people. Yes, so that's all about culture.
लोगों को मांगना नहीं है कि दे रहा है तो हम मांगे, क्योंकि हम तो ऐसे करेंगे वो खुद ही देगा, है कि नहीं? दे रहा है तो मांगने की जरूरत, कि जब नहीं दे रहा है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? छीनना पड़ेगा। नहीं पड़ेगा, छीनना पड़ेगा। दे ही नहीं रहा है ना, छीनना पड़ेगा। और छीनने के लिए चाहिए क्या? ताकत, जिगर। Okay, so my dear friends, right now we are ending these classes, and I hope you have feel good and you have understood something different kind of knowledge, and you have improved something and you have learned something. And because we are improving, don't take personally, because we don't want to hurt you, we don't want to break you, we don't want to do something, any kind of things. And right now, this time is elections time. Yes, and who have done their 18 years old, and I hope you have had your identity card, चांद पात्र, I hope बना लिए होंगे, वोटर कार्ड, वोटर ID. So give vote, okay? वोट देने से पहले ना सोचो, क्योंकि कहते ना जहाँ पे हम वोट देते हैं वहाँ पे सिर्फ उंगली नहीं दबाते हैं, आपका फिंगरप्रिंट आपकी पूरी लाइफ से जुड़ी हुई है। एक फिंगरप्रिंट दबाओगे, आपकी पूरी बॉडी किसी और के हवाले हो जाएंगी। आपका ये जो शरीर है, एक बटन दबाओ, पूरा शरीर किसी और के गुलाम। इसलिए किसी और के गुलाम बनाने से पहले सोचो समझो गुलाम किसका बन रहे हैं, वो कितना सताएगा, कितना रुलाएगा, कितना हमें ऊपर उठाएगा। जो व्यक्ति को मैं वोट दे रहा हूँ, जिस पर मैं उंगली दबा रहा हूँ, क्या वो मेरे लिए कुछ कर पाएगा? कर पाएगा तो कैसे कर पाएगा? ये सारा नॉलेज आपके पास होना चाहिए। जिस दिन वोट दोगे ना, सिर्फ दूसरों के देखा देखी में नहीं जाना है कि वो देने जा रही है चलो हम भी चलते, नहीं। सोचो परखो, क्योंकि कोई आदमी आग में कूदने जा रहा है तो आप भी जब वो भी कूदने जा रहा है, हम भी जाएं। पहले पता करो आग में कुछ ऐसा चीज तो रखल नहीं है, अगर रखल तो हम भी आगे जाएंगे, नहीं तो जुट्ठों के जल के राख हो जाओगे। पहले सोचो परखो, देखो क्या है, किस तरह की रणनीति है, ये कितना काम करेगा, कितना काम नहीं करेगा, क्या संभावना है, क्या जरूरी है। यस, और जिस दिन आप जागरूक हो जाओगे ना, तो बाकी लोगों को जागरूक करोगे, क्योंकि आपका वोट पूरे 5 साल के लिए आपको गुलाम बना के रखेगी। वोट देने के बाद आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा करना क्या है, सरकार के पास कूदते रह जाओगे, है ना, इधर उधर भटकते रह जाओगे, कुछ होगा नहीं। सो दिस टाइम वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट आइडेंटिफाई द हु इज बेटर एंड हु इज वेरी गुड फॉर यू, एंड योर फिंगरप्रिंट मस्ट बी गुड फॉर यू। एंड कि भैया हम जिएंगे हमारे स्टाइल से, हम किसी के गुलाम नहीं बनेंगे। स्टडी कैसे करनी है, क्या करनी है, कब जॉब मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, कोई और कैसे डिसाइड करेगा, ये आपके हाथ में। यस, आपके पास सिर्फ एक उंगली है। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, यहाँ पे 7 पावर है। ये एक उंगली कुछ काम नहीं है, बट ये ऐसा हो जाए ना तो किसी को भी थोबड़ा उड़ा सकता है। आपका उंगली के साथ साथ बाकी अपने सोसाइटी, अपने विलेज की उंगली को भी सीधा करो और एक मुट्ठी बनाओ और फैसला कर कि वोट देना है तो इसको देना है, देना है तो क्यों देना है। जो मैं चाहती हूँ क्या वो देगा, जो मैं अपनी लाइफ में हासिल करना चाहती हूँ क्या वो देगा। देगा तो ठीक है, नहीं देगा तो थैंक यू सो मच, हैव अ ग्रेट नाइट, बाय बाय।